Welcome. So today I'm going to be doing an install video here on my MK8 Fiesta ST. I have here in my hands the new MK8 LED sequential indicator units for the door mirrors from Autobeam. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to install these on your MK8 Fiesta. I'm also going to be doing a comparison between these, which are the clear glass set, which look more OEM, versus the white set and the black set. I also have here to do the job some Autobeam trim tool set, and yeah, we're just going to jump straight into the install. I'm going to show you guys what they look like on the car and how to install them. So here we go. Before we get into the install, if you want to get a set of these for yourself, head over to Autobeam's website. There'll be a link in the description below. Head over to vehicles, underneath Ford, select Fiesta and then MK8. Scroll down the page. You should eventually come across this product. It'll have everything that's available for the MK8 Fiesta on that page. Once you are on the LED sequential indicator page, you'll be able to select whether you want the clear, white or black edition. It'll be all on there with supporting photos and any information that you need. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the door mirror caps. Now this is made really easy with a trim tool set, and just work your way around releasing the clips underneath, and then you'll be able to take the whole mirror cap off. Once the mirror cap is off, there's only one screw that you need to undo, and this is a Torx head screw, so you're going to need a small Torx head bit to undo it, and then just unscrew that and the whole light should move away from the car. Once you put the screw carefully aside, you'll be able to take the light out. Just give it a little twist and then a pull, and the connector should come away from the unit. To remove the bulb, it's simply just pull. Now here is our Autobeam replacement. As you can see, it's really good quality. It's even got this foam edge around it so it doesn't end up rubbing against the car. To connect the light, just push it into the connector where the bulb came from. And you can also see you've got this little on and off switch button which actually changes between modes from static flash to your sequential indicator flash. Now fitting the unit is actually really easy. Just make sure that you're really tidy with the wires and then make sure they're not sticking out or obstructing the fitment, but then just slot it back into the position where you removed the OEM one from. Once that's done, making sure the wires are all tucked in, you can then go ahead and take the screw that you removed previously back into position and then go ahead and screw that back in. The last thing that needs to be done is just to replace the mirror cap back onto the top. Being very careful, obviously you don't want to break anything, but they should go back into position really nicely and then sit as normal. And there you have it guys, that's pretty much the install. All you want to do for the other side is do the exact same process all over again, and that's how you fit these LED sequential indicators on your MK8 Fiesta. Well guys, that's how you install these new Autobeam LED sequential indicators on your MK8 Fiesta ST. As you can see, it's a really simple install that doesn't really take a lot, so you guys can do it at home by yourself without an issue. Now, let me know what set you're getting in the comment section below, whether you're going for the white set, the black set, or the clear set. Remember, there is a link in the description so you guys can go and purchase a set for yourself. Also, remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more MK8 content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.